Hi, I'm Sarah, and this is Ask Me Anything. I'm here to answer your questions.
Do we have time for another one? Should we do another one? Let's do another one. Unfortunately, my phone is on silent, so whoever's calling me right now here, I'm not listening. Oh my gosh, this just in. I can't. Should I share this? This is really, really funny. So right now, my husband, Minister of Exteriors, is working on a cottage renovation project at our cottage, which I'm going to be sharing with you because we've had to make some changes. And he is literally opening it up right now. It is day one after a long winter. And you know what his question is? This just in. Ask me anything, Sarah. Is there a toilet brush up here? Clearly, my husband is doing me proud and would like a clean toilet. Can you excuse me because I'm going to answer them? I sure hope so.